Hey guys, John here. So I'm going to be talking about in this video how to separate hype from reality in doing research. This is something I haven't heard many people address, but I'm going to talk about it because there's been a huge proliferation in the number of online courses recently that talk about different money-making strategies all across the board. Education is something new. I think really good education is something new. It's been the college system for so long, and now what we're looking at is a totally new type of way of doing things, which is online education, which I think is really exciting. Now, understanding what is hype or reality is a big skill. So how do you separate it? Okay. So I'm sure maybe you guys are familiar with names like Brandon Burchard, Ty Lopez, Grant Cardone, Sam Ovens, Tony Robbins, etc. Marie Forleo, Damon John. There's a million of online teachers now. John Crestani, right? There's a lot of online teachers, and understanding who's doing a real business or who's not is a good foundation. So first off, the way to understand hype from reality goes back to backwards engineering. How did this person make their money? How is this person qualified to teach? If they aren't currently doing it, so for example, let me think of an example. Maybe Marie Forleo is teaching people how to start their own business working from home. She currently does run her own business working from home. So, you know, she might be an example, but you always want to look for how much money is the person making. Is that along the lines of what you can be making too? What indicators can you trust? And you want to look for how many other people are recognizing this person. Damon John, you can look up public information, you can look up articles. You always want to do your research on the person itself. Damon John, there are people that hate him, there are people that love him, but nobody argues the fact he started FUBU, which is a multi-$100 million clothing brand. He has some sort of success, massive success in business, and you can trust it. But understanding the hype a little more would be digging a centimeter deeper and saying, okay, what did he do within FUBU? Was he just creating products, or was he managing people? Did he raise money? Did he build it that way selling products, just hustling products on street corners? Did he raise tens of millions of dollars and hire really smart people that sold the products for him? Right? These are totally different situations. And you want to understand whenever you're talking to somebody or listening to somebody who's a potential mentor or teacher, you want to understand, did that person actually do the thing themselves, or did they hire people to do the thing themselves? So in my case, you know, I started off affiliate marketing in 2009. I didn't raise any money. I didn't get any money from anybody else. I basically used my own cash and tried marketing things. And I sold things on eBay. My first ad buy was a 99-cent ad in the classified section of eBay. And that 99-cent ad turned into a $400 sale of an online program. It was like a physical DVD set. So I turned that 99 cents into $400. I did the media buying. You know, in this case, I was in college. I was doing the media buying. That's my specialty. AdWords, Facebook ads, native ads. These are all things I've done, and I do, and I continue to do, and I continue to buy ads, and I do. So I'm an ads guy, and I've been talked a lot about doing ads, and in fact, I show a lot of over my shoulder kind of videos of me placing ads, of me making money with ads. I have lots of screenshots, but I actually show people live me doing the damn thing. To separate hype from reality, can you see live in action videos of them? Okay, in-field videos. That's what I call them, in-field videos. That's why I show me doing actual stuff on the computer. There's another kind of crazy field called pickup, and it's of guys, you know, or relationships of guys trying to get dates with girls. And they call it infield footage. And what took off in that niche is instead of just having guys talk about, oh, don't text back girls immediately or whatever, they'd show infield footage of people having conversations, role playing. If you want to learn negotiation, you want to see the actual infield situation of negotiation. I mean, the best case scenario is having a little secret camera placed in a board meeting and being able to watch that negotiation happen live, or being able to watch those conversations happen live, because that's going to be your best separator of hype from reality. When I was looking for people to follow in internet marketing, when I was starting out, what I did to separate hype from reality was I also looked for the infield footage, the over-the-shoulder footage, not just screenshots. Screenshots can be photoshopped, but I looked for actual video of people's computer screens doing the ad buys, or doing the optimization, or doing the copywriting, narrating their notes, everything along those lines. And that is meat and potatoes. And when you can find the reality, when you can find people who are actually doers, and not just managers, not just outsourcing stuff, that's gold. So look for that, but be aware there's a lot of hype. You have to be like a sleuth, like Dr. What was that guy? Sherlock Holmes. You have to be like Sherlock Holmes. So anybody you're talking to that's saying, hey, I'm a big affiliate, do your homework. Figure out if they really are a big affiliate. If they're spending $25,000 a night at clubs in Vegas, they're probably a big affiliate. So separate hype from reality when you're figuring out who to follow or who to listen to, etc. So hope that helps. And just wanted to throw that little nugget to watch out for out there to help you guys.